In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate draw.io connectors in Atlassian Confluence. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to your Confluence site at your site.atlassian.net/wiki. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and complete the sign-in process so you land on your workspace. Once Confluence is open, look at the top navigation bar and click Create to start a new page. The page editor will open up. Click the page title field at the very top of the editor so your cursor is placed there. Now type the title for this page, which is Connector Animation Demo. After the title is set, click anywhere on the blank page body just below the title so you can start adding content. Now we'll insert a draw.io diagram. In the page body, type the slash command for the diagram, which is /draw.io. A slash command menu will appear. From that menu, click the option labeled draw.io diagram. The draw.io template picker will open. Click blank diagram so you start with a clean canvas. Next, click the diagram file name field at the top of the template picker. Type a file name for your diagram, for example, order status flow. Once the file name is in place, click Create in the template picker to open the editor. Now we'll create 3 connected shapes. On the left side of the draw.io editor, you'll see the shape library. Drag a rounded rectangle shape from that library onto the left side of the canvas. Double-click inside the shape you just placed and type the first status label. For example, order received. Drag a second rounded rectangle shape from the left shape library and drop it in the middle of the canvas. Double-click inside the second shape and type the next status label. For example, fulfillment. Now drag a third rounded rectangle shape from the left shape library and drop it on the right side of the canvas. Double-click inside this third shape and type the final status label. For example, shipped. Click the first shape on the canvas so it becomes active. Hover over its right edge until you see the blue connector arrow. Then drag that arrow over to the second shape to connect them. Click the second shape, then drag the blue connector arrow from its right edge across to the third shape so all 3 are linked together in order. Now let's select the connectors. Right-click on any blank area of the draw.io canvas. In the context menu that appears, click Select Edges. Take a quick look at the canvas and confirm both connector lines are highlighted. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Next, we'll turn on flow animation. Look at the right side of the editor where the Format panel is, and click Style at the top of that panel. Scroll down inside the right Format panel until you see the Flow Animation option. Click the Flow Animation checkbox. Once it's enabled, confirm the selected connector lines now show moving flow dashes traveling along them. Now we'll save and view the animated connectors in Confluence. Click Publish in the top right corner of the draw.io editor to save your diagram back into the page. Then click Publish in the top right corner of the Confluence page editor itself to publish the whole page. On the Publish Confluence page, click the draw.io diagram to open it in the lightbox viewer. In that lightbox viewer, confirm the connectors animate from order received to fulfillment to shipped, with the dashes flowing in the right direction. Your Confluence page now contains a draw.io diagram with flow animation applied to its connectors. When you open the diagram in the Confluence lightbox viewer, the connector dashes move in the direction of the flow, traveling from the first status all the way through to the last status. Congratulations! You successfully animated your draw.io connectors inside Atlassian Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.